Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by confirming your iPad supports wireless charging or requires a Qi receiver. This saves time and prevents power loss. Next, plug a reliable 18W USB-C PD adapter into the wall, then connect the wireless pad. Once done, clear any magnetic or metal debris from the iPad back. Make sure to remove bulky cases and position the charger at the iPad's magnetic center. You're now ready to place the iPad down gently and start the charge sequence. Place your iPad flat on the charger and align using the pad center or your receiver's guide. Accurate alignment matters because coils must overlap for efficient energy transfer. Once aligned, monitor the pad's LED and the iPad battery icon for the charging symbol. If you don't see it in 10-15 seconds, lift and realign. Make sure the iPad remains in open air. Avoid pillows or blankets, because excessive heat reduces efficiency and can slow or stop charging. Adjust position until the indicator is steady. When the battery reaches your desired level, lift the iPad straight up to avoid shifting the pad. Make sure to unplug the wall adapter if you won't use the charger again. If charging stalls, first check the adapter and USB-C cable for tight connection and sufficient wattage. Once done, reseat the iPad to the center. If problems persist, restart the iPad, try a known good wireless pad, or temporarily remove the case. This single troubleshooting step solves most contact and alignment failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.